Little Early English Education.
Whoa! Look at this cool gray character! Hello, 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 super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 900. Did you know Numberblock 900 is made of 9 groups of 100? 900. Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle for the main body. A wide, beautiful body. Perfect!
Every shape unlocks a smile, growing bigger all the while. Little builders never stop.
Now, draw 2 vertical lines inside.
Trace it, shape it, nice and slow. Little ideas start to grow. One more line, one more square. Creative fun is everywhere.
And 2 horizontal lines across.
Sketch the number blocks, one by one. Drawing together is so much fun.
This divides our body into 9 big sections. Now, draw 30 vertical lines. 1,
Let's create
2,
brand new day.
3, 4, 5,
Every block can tell a tale.
6,
Every drawing sets the sail. Tiny
7,
pieces work as one, making learning full
8,
of fun. Across the page they proudly stand,
9,
made with your
10,
amazing hand.
11,
Every careful little part comes alive
12,
through happy art.
13,
Simple shapes become so bright, growing stronger
14,
left and right. Keep on drawing, don't be
15,
late. Something wonderful awaits.
16,
Sketch it, build it.
17,
See, every
18,
number block can be
19,
small beginning,
20,
big surprise,
21,
wonderful adventures fill our
22,
lives. Sketch the number
23,
blocks, happy and
24,
every picture
25,
feels just right. Draw with laughter,
26,
care, create a light with every
27,
one more page, one more smile.
28,
Let's keep drawing all
29, and 30. Fantastic! We reached 30. That's THIRTY. Then draw 30 horizontal lines. Let's count together. 30,
You again
60,
soon. Come along, it's time
90,
Let's make magic
120,
Grab your pencil, hold it tight. We're going
150,
all our might. A blank white page
180,
here, full of wonder,
210,
full of cheer. Every line we draw
240,
brings a new surprise our way.
270,
Draw a little
300,
neat. Give it 4 strong
330,
place another right beside.
360,
Watch our picture grow with pride. Keep on
390,
trying, shine. Let your imagination
420,
every shape is one more clue.
450,
Something exciting comes into
480,
view. Move your pen
510,
slow. Watch your creativity
540,
grow. Tiny blocks begin to stand
570,
with your amazing hand.
600,
Every corner, every line makes
630,
work look so fine. Step by step,
660,
see a world of fun and
690,
creativity.
720,
Pencil, take your time.
750,
Look so fine, lines
780,
side by side, building with
810, 840,
draw, draw,
870,
build with joy and laugh and
and 900.
sketch it.
Fantastic! We reached 900. That's NINEHUNDRED. Now the face. Draw the eyes. Add eye details and pupils.
Every picture feels brand new. Straight lines, happy lines, making wonderful designs.
Next, draw cool eyebrows above the eyes.
Watch new pictures start to rise.
Now draw the happy smile with inside mouth and cheek line. Now draw the hands on both sides. Draw the legs at the bottom. At the very top, 900. Our drawing is complete. Hello everyone. I am Numberblock 900. I have 900 blocks and cool eyebrows. Coloring time. Pick up black. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupils black.
Every color has a voice. Paint the little squares with care. Watch them brighten.
Now pick up navy blue. Spell navy blue. N-A-V-Y. B-L-U-E. Navy blue. Color the eye outlines, eyebrows, smile outline, hands, and legs. Navy blue.
Green is growing, orange glowing, purple loves to laugh and play. Color here, color there, happy colors everywhere. Bright and bold, soft and light, everything is looking bright. Color every number block.
Now pick up light gray. Spell light gray. L-I-G-H-T. G-R-E-Y. Light gray. Color the first 300 blocks light gray.
Fun, every color, everyone. Big adventures start today. Color, laugh, and learn through play. Little colors side by side, making rainbows full of pride. Every block becomes brand new. Every dream comes shining through. Fill the corners, fill the middle, leave no tiny space behind. Every color works together, making beautiful designs. Splash of red, splash of blue, every picture smiles at you.
Now pick up gray. Spell gray. G-R-E-Y. Gray. Color the next 300 blocks gray.
Watch them glow, see the magic start to grow. Bright ideas lead the way. Learning happens every day. Every number block looks so bright, filled with colors, filled with light. Color every number block. Watch them come alive. Every page is full of wonder. Every dream can thrive. Happy colors hide hearts. Learning grows through works of art. Paint together.
And the final color, dark gray. Spell dark gray. D-A-R-K. G-R-E-Y. Dark gray.
Until the picture's done, look what we created! A colorful Numberblocks masterpiece! See you next time for another coloring adventure! Every number block shine! Open every crayon box. Choose a color, make your choice. Every shade can tell a story. Every color has a voice. Paint the little squares with care. Watch them brighten every
And done! Numberblock 900 looks fantastic.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.